Welcome back to the channel. Here I will show you the progress of the day. Other day I took all this apart, completely greased up, cleaned it, greased up everything. There was no grease inside there. So now everything is good. Everything is full of grease. New balls everywhere. And then today the new leveling box, new drop arm, but there will still be some adjustment and things to do. Also here, this old one was totally seized, so there's a new parts there, the rod and rubber, everything. And here's the new leveling box. That one's fixed nice, but the bolt here is too long. I must find the right one. And the same here. And then I must shift the arm here, the drop arm, or make a bush, because this one is too big. Maybe it's a category 3, I don't know. But down here there was studs early on, and now I have cleaned everything, threads everything, and new balls, U and C, fits perfect. So there will be some adjustments and things. This knot here must be tightened up and split pin there. The same over here. And today I get the hydraulic cover on. There's a new lever. Seat is back on. New oil to the hub here. New oil to the hub over there. Have to repaint the rim there. Apparently there have been not enough epoxy primer, so we'll grind it down, new epoxy, new paint, and then she needs a good cleaning. She needs degrease and things. And then there's a little bit of leak here. Earlier on there was no gasket on this one, only aviation gasket, and that was enough. But apparently now maybe there's more pressure. I don't know. I put new O-rings, so maybe the pressure is higher. I will fix tomorrow. Side plates is on. Focus, come on. I must do the cleaning tomorrow. So there will be some small things. This one here is functioning nice. I cut a round rubber, only 6mm hole. Put it down over here, so it's very tight. And that one holds down this one. So it sits very nice now, and it's full of grease. So I don't think any water will come inside now, and I think it looks good. Only needs like cleaning here, and that's no problem. This rubber here must go over that one, and also cleaning here about the tractor meter. And tractor meter is functional now. So today we do 1 hour. It absolutely functions. Here comes the diesel level, and oil pressure is function, temperature is function, the power here, electric power is function. That's very nice, but she needs a shampoo. And also I think maybe tomorrow I put the tank on. So this one I can take away. Hydraulic is function. Last year new hoses, everything greased up, but also like need a shampoo. This new filter inside here, new liquid, and pump is fuktion, and then I need a little timing on the pump, but there's no problem. It's a easy fix. Cooling system is good. It's tight and everything. It's approved down to -50, so I'm good about the next winter. So all in all, very much happy. Also here side plate is on, and the reason I took everything apart was the gear wheel for the ground PTO was totally damaged. I managed to get a new wheel here in Norway, so it's all function now. So next winter I can do the snow blowing, and hopefully in the autumn I can do the plowing. The plow is over there, 2 bottom Kyllingstedt 14-inch plow. So that is the progress for today. Tomorrow there's no work, so I can work on this one whole day long. So I will definitely make a lot of things. So that is the update from the old Massey Ferguson 65, but it's coming along. Small steps ahead, and later on she's ready. Thank you very much. Wish you a good weekend. See you soon again. Cheers.